Hi all. See this, in this particular problem, we are required to find out the equation of a normal. That's the main aim, right? Because if the normal equation is obtained, the problem is solved, right? Now see that, to find that normal, we need that slope, right? dy dx or maybe dx dy to find out the slope, tangent, normal and all that stuff. But in both cases, right, if I want to calculate and find f dash x here actually, then we have to differentiate that function. That function differentiation with tan inverse and all that, it's not the easy job to do, right? So what should I do? Our main aim is to simplify the function. Let's go ahead and simplify it, right? So what's that? First we consider that function as 1 plus sin x and 1 minus sin x. So let's consider that. We have 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. So what is 1 here? I'll change that 1 and sin x in a typical way. So we'll see that it can be written as sin squared x by 2 plus cos squared x by 2 obviously, minus 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Obviously the plus sign. And in the denominator, we'll write the same thing. So sin x square x by 2, cos square x by 2, and with a plus sign here, it is minus 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Okay. Now that's imply that, okay, 1 plus sin x and 1 minus sin x, that ratio is gives you as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 and sin minus cos whole square. Okay. Now see that it is given x belongs to the interval 0 to pi by 2. So cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2. Okay. So in this interval, right, cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2. So if you see the plots, right, you will see that, right, if I draw the plot, this is cos function, this is cos x by 2, and the below one, it's obviously that sine function. Okay, that's it. So this is actually the problem, right? Now see that whenever we do that now, the square root, right? The square root is always be positive, right? So therefore we need to mention that we have to write down this function as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. If I write down in that as directly sin minus cos, right? Obviously it is negative in that interval 0 to pi by 2, and square root function cannot gives you negative in general. So therefore we'll consider that, therefore we'll say the square root of 1 plus sin x and divided by 1 minus sin x, we just change that function as cos plus sin. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and we have cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now here we can divide that right hand side everything by cos x by 2. So therefore we'll have 1 plus tan x by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2. So that's actually equivalent to the formula of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So therefore we can easily say that now the function fx is equal to tan inverse of this. So therefore we'll get it as pi by 4 plus x by 2. That's it. So see that whatever the big function is given in that particular problem, it is actually very simplified as this form, right? Now we need to find out the equation of a normal in this curve. So therefore we'll go ahead and find that slope. So f dash x is equal to half. So therefore we'll say that slope of tangent is half. Hence normal slope is definitely minus 2, right? Now here that x is not important because see that f dash x is independent of x, right? So that's why I don't consider that case, okay? Now let's to calculate f of pi by 3. pi by 6, sorry. So let's calculate a for pi by 6. That gives me that pi by 4 plus pi by 12. That gives me 12 is the LCM. We'll get it as 3 pi plus pi. So it gives me pi by 3. Okay. So therefore, we'll say that we need to find the normal passing through pi by 3, pi by 6 and pi by 3 point with slope minus 2. So therefore, we can say the equation of a normal is actually y minus pi by 3 is equal to minus 2 into x minus pi by 6. So if I solve it, we'll say that y minus pi by 3 is equal to minus 2x plus pi by 3. So that means that y is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus 2x. So that's the equation of the normal. Okay. Now see that in that option we are having either x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. So here first we consider put y equal to x equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, it's imply that y is equal to 2 pi by 3. So therefore we can say that 0 2 pi by 3 is a point. And see that 0 2 pi by 3 is a point. Okay. Let's go ahead and substitute y equal to 0. So if I put y equal to 0, it's imply that x is equal to pi by 3. So therefore the point lies on that point will be pi by 3 and 0. Okay. Now see that option is missing. So therefore obviously in this problem there are only one option, and that is option B. And that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.